Talk about visually out of this world. The Pinwheel Galaxy is a spiral shaped galaxy about 21 million light years away from Earth. Scientists call this swirling galaxy Messier 101 or sometimes just M101. You can find it in the constellation Ursa Major or the Big Dipper in the Northern Hemisphere. With a nice dark sky, you can see it with binoculars or even a small telescope. The Hubble Space Telescope took a stunning picture of M101 in visible light, the same waves that we can see with our eyes. The yellow core is made of old stars. The brown dust swirls are places where new stars can form. The Pinwheel Galaxy is one of billions of galaxies in the universe and is estimated to be about 21 million light years from Earth. It is one of the closest galaxies to the Earth and about twice the size of the Milky Way galaxy. It is thought to be home to more than 1 trillion stars. It was discovered in 1781 by French astronomer Pierre Messier. Pierre was an avid comet hunter who is credited for discovering many other celestial bodies. During the years 1779 and 1782, not only did he discover the Pinwheel Galaxy, but also several globular bodies and 8 comets. He described the Pinwheel Galaxy as a nebula without star, very obscure and pretty large, between the left hand of Bootes and the tail of the Great Bear. It is difficult to distinguish when one tilts the grating wires. M101 is asymmetrical due to the tidal forces from interactions with its companion galaxies. These gravitational interactions compress interstellar hydrogen gas, which then triggers strong star formation activity in M101's spiral arms that can be detected in ultraviolet images. Through a low-power, wide-field eyepiece, M101 presents itself as a large, faintly glowing circular area with a slightly brighter round core punctuated at its center by a small, non-stellar nucleus. Persistent scrutiny reveals that multiple spiral arms are curved outward from the central core. Be aware that even the most experienced deep sky observers can find it challenging to decipher the patterns of M101's faint spiral arms. These arms sometimes have several nebulas connected with them, making even distant images of the galaxy absolutely breathtaking. M33 in Triangulum is also another Pinwheel galaxy. Both are Hubble-type SC galaxies with small central hubs and open spiral arms. Both present us with nearly face-on views, and both appear quite large in the sky. M33 has an apparent size of 67 by 42, so that it covers 3.7 times the area of the full moon. M101 has a smaller apparent size, but which is still quite big and almost the size of a full moon. For deep sky observers, the most unfortunate similarity is that both galaxies appear quite dim in the eyepiece. While M33 is listed at magnitude 5.7, M101 is not far behind at magnitude 7.8. Spreading the galaxy's light over their respective large surface areas renders them dim indeed. In fact, it's easy for first-time observers to pass right over these galaxies without seeing them because they are so much larger and dimmer than expected. Perhaps the most similar point and very exciting point between the pinwheels is that they both offer rare opportunities to observe deep sky objects within another galaxy. We naturally think of any galaxy as a single deep sky object, but not so with the pinwheels. The M101 is one of the many spiral galaxies in the universe. Like other galaxies of this type, this one is a star producer. There are more than 3,000 places in its arms where stars are born. These areas are known as HII regions. They are named so because of the huge amounts of the element hydrogen that exists in them. These These huge amounts of hydrogen gas exist because stars are mainly made up of hydrogen and helium. The middle of the Pinwheel Galaxy is called the central bulge. Its mass is thought to be equal to about 3 billion suns. Unlike the spiral arms of the Pinwheel Galaxy, very few stars are produced at the central bulge. When stars die, they produce a brilliant explosion known as a supernova. They may be so bright that they block other galaxies. Supernovas are the source of most of the heavy elements in the universe. Scientists have recorded at least 4 supernovas taking place in the Pinwheel Galaxy, with the last one recorded in 2011. A Romanian astronomer reported a luminous red nova in the Pinwheel Galaxy in 2015. A red nova is the result of an explosion that takes place when two stars collide and become one. The Pinwheel Galaxy is also unique because it does not have a black hole at its center. What it does have is a large number of X-ray sources. So cool, am I right? If you watched till the end of this video, please like and subscribe to our channel